Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to write bio on Quora. So first you have to log into your Quora. So go to www.quora.com, log in, enter your email or connect via Google or Facebook. Make sure you're logged in into the account you want to edit. Now here what you're going to do is tap on your profile from the top right corner and then click profile. This opens your public profile page. Now it's about time to edit your profile bio. Now here you can look below your name, but first you can also change your profile picture if you want, and then add description or something about yourself. You will see a small pencil next to the bio area. You can click that one in order for you to edit. So basically, you can edit your profession, interest, experience. You can mention topics you know about or love answering. Always remember to keep it short, clear, and confident. And here you can also add links like website, portfolio, or use bold for emphasis. So basically, all you have to do is tap on the pencil icon and then enter some information here. You can add here your profession, years of experience, what do you do, your strategy, your location, and again, your website. Now, important thing to remember, you must be very specific about your expertise. You can mention what kind of questions you like to answer. You can use keywords people might search for and keep it professional and friendly. Once done with everything, tap on save and then proceed to other section. Tap the pencil icon and then edit and add information about yourself. So basically, this is how easy it is to simply write bio on Quora. All you have to do is to add or enter information that, of course, true and legit. So that's it. You have now added your Quora bio. You can edit this anytime. Feel free. You can also change your profile if you want. And that's how easy it is to write bio on Quora. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.